Did you know that there's more to science than just exploring the world around you? In fact, there's a whole universe of science for you to explore. There's science fields like astronomy, where you can explore the outer celestial bodies. That's comets, planets, galaxies, stars, and so much more. Space science requires many different tools. Things like telescopes, rockets, spaceships. And well, no one knows spaceships and rockets better than our friends at Boeing. So let's take a second to visit the link below and visit Boeing's Future U website, where you can learn a lot more about space science, rocket ships, and maybe even take a trip 49 million miles away to the red planet of Mars. All right, so it's project time. And I can think of no better project for us to do than to build our very own Lunar Lander. So you might be wondering what a Lunar Lander is. Well, this is a spacecraft designed to land on the moon. An example of this would be the Apollo lunar module, which was designed to land a crew of 2 humans and return them to orbit. This lunar module made 6 successful landings and takeoffs from 1969 to 1972. Today, we're gonna make our own Lunar Lander. For this project, you'll need straws, paper plates, a marshmallow, tape, paper cups, and you can even do this with cardboard. So let's recap. You'll need paper plates, paper cup, tape, straws, and marshmallows. Building a lunar lander is all about designing something that can safely absorb the shock of a fall. The cool thing about this project is that there's no one way to complete it, so it will require you to think about the best way to solve the problem. Let's look at it this way. The paper cups and marshmallows represent the cabin of our lunar lander, where the astronauts, or marshmallow knots, are steering the ship to land. The paper plates, which can be taped together, are the body of the lunar lander, while straws or even index cards can be used to create shock-absorbing landing gear that will prevent our lunar lander from crashing or tipping over, which will keep our astronauts safely inside the cabin. The objective of this activity is to land the ship without causing the astronauts, or marshmallow knots, to fall out. And if at first you don't succeed, keep trying until you stick the landing. Well, that's all for now. Be sure to check out our next video by clicking the link to the right. OMSI would like to thank our presenting sponsors, Boeing, Verizon, and also our supporting sponsors from CUI Devices and Microsoft for making STEAM Week digital content possible.